Hello YouTube, Big Daddy Technology here with a special guest, Queen Katie, my
Hello.
wife. Say hello, Katie.
Hello.
Okay, so we're going to be doing some intricate soldering here. And as you can see, I've already put the piece in underneath. I pressed it through the new joystick. And now we're going to be soldering the joysticks. And so if you can get in as close as you can, Katie. How is that? Pretty good. Can you see what I'm doing pretty good here, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, good. That's better. That's better. Video. Hey there, Big Daddy again. I'm gonna put the motors back on now, and it goes black and then red on the right-hand motor. Black's on. Black on. Need an extra set of hands here. Be nice. And then ready red. Put the red back on. Alright, black and red are attached on this side. I'm just going to do the same exact thing to the other side. And then I will start again and finish the rest of this recording video. Hello YouTube, we're back. I'm going to do the quick reassembly video. I've already slid the board back in place. And so I slid the back on. And we're going to put the faceplate back on now. See how this goes back together. There, pretty good. It's on pretty good. Make sure the back gets on good. I'm going to slide the back into position. So once you get it in like that, we're going to see if these screws are going to go right back in. I've put in this screw so far, put back in this screw over here, just put in the back security screw there, tighten that down, It's all kind of cinching back together slowly as I put the screws back in. Everything's coming back together. Okay, I've got all 4 of the screws back in. Get these hand panels back on. Hand panels back on. And it kind of, it just snap back in place. These controllers are built pretty well, pretty sturdy. Let's start with the bottom. All snaps back together. And there's our controller. Our new joystick. And I also wanted to mention that with the purchase of the axes on Amazon, you get 2 new joystick covers. Definitely a lot tighter. Look at that snap back. Look how quick that snaps back. A lot tighter play. You can tell it's nice and tight. Well, we're going to try it out and make sure it works. Alright. Thanks for your time, YouTube. See you next time.